Welcome, it's Dennis and Doodle, and today we're going to be opening these Hollyland Pro Pick, wireless mini duo microphones. And they are USB-C, which will work on all of our phones, and a bunch of information on the back. You can pause it to see whatever that is. But I'm going to open this and we'll get into that. So we are going to be actually testing this at the end of the video, and basically throughout the video we'll tell you when we're using them, and tell us in the chat if, and in the comments if you can see a difference. Okay, so there was this little seal, but I kind of just broke that off and it was really easy. You definitely should not need any scissors or a knife for that. There's this little pamphlet that says we're here for you. A little bag to store it. The thing that goes into your phone. I'm pretty sure the case and microphones themselves. USB-C cable. Mic covers for these microphones, and I'm pretty sure that's it. That's in the box. So now we're gonna unwrap everything. So this is what the camera covers look like. We're gonna go ahead and open this one, and then we're gonna open this and show you them on the mics. So these are the microphone and the case itself. If you were to be using these, it has a magnetic clip that you can put on your shirt and then just boop, and then you can put this on top there where the microphone is.
So these covers help you isolate wind noise or background noise. So they're a nice addition. But they're completely optional. So if you're in like a studio or inside where there's no background noise, you can use them without for sure.
So we're gonna unwrap this.
So that's the receiver. This plugs into the USB-C port on any USB-C supported phone. So the next step for us is to go ahead and get these charged up. So the base will charge the actual mics, and then the receiver can be plugged directly into your phone, but it has bypass charging for the phone if you needed it. So we're going to get this all set up and charged, and when you hear us back next, we will be using these. So let us know in the comments if you hear a difference. And when you plug them in, you'll notice the color will change. So right now we just took these in, plugged them in for the first time. They are red, so when these come back green, we'll give it a first test. Now that everything's charged, we're going to go over the steps here. And if you would like to see how the Larks connect and the features there are, you can pause in the video here. You can look at the function controls. This provides you receiver controls, the light indicators. Now there are two different versions. We happen to have the version with just the charging dock. So there is a version that has the charging case. So if you have that, the instructions are going to be the same. The difference being whether you have this dock for them to rest in or whether you have the case. I will say that the dock is magnetic, and it really is magnetic. So they grab onto each other real well. So keep that in mind. They're kind of interesting to put in and out. But we're going to get these connected to the phone, and for the rest of the video, you're going to hear us talking through the actual lavaliers, and let us know what you think. So for the purposes of the test, Sun's going to use it with the wind buffer or sound breaker. I'm going to use it without it. And so from here on out, we're going to clip these to ourselves and see what they sound like.
So it has a little magnet on both sides that you can put it in your shirt and then just clip it right there, and then you should be able to talk.
So at this point in the video, you should be hearing me talking through it. And now we're going to go ahead and put Sun's on with the wind buffer and see what it sounds like, and see us both talking at the same time. All right, now that Sun's clipped on, so am I. Let us know what you think these sound like. And then we're going to show you again. Lark A1 is you get this convenient carrying case, a charging dock, USB-C cable. You get two wind buffers or sound deadeners. They also give you some additional literature if you should have any problems with them. And then they give you what's included in the package, so we confirm everything we need, your instructions, and then your technical specifications. So at this point, Son's going to test it out on low volume.
Skippity 6-7 test.
And let us know if you heard that. So if you like electronics videos and videos like this, boxings and openings, we'd like to thank today's sponsor, this guy. Be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our other channels, which are
Dance and Doodle, Dance and Clean-It-All, Dance and Collect-It-All, and Dance and Doodle. And the sponsor of today's video, as Dad just said, is Dad.